Hi everyone, Carl here from Norris Ford, and I got a question the other day, and it's what do I do if I break down on the highway and I have no spare? Well, did you know that some vehicles don't even have a spare tire anymore? So I thought we'd do a video and show you what to do if you don't have one. So this is an EcoSport, and if you want to know if your vehicle has a spare, check your owner's manual. That's probably the best spot. But let me show you what to do. So let's pretend we're broke down on the highway. Now, normally your spare tire might be here, but in our case, we have this. This is a spare tire, this is a tire inflator kit. So what you would do is you have your little bucket of goop here, and you have your inflator. So what you do, you have this, and you have this. So this has a nice long cord on it. You would plug this into a power point. In the EcoSport, there's one in the second row. That's probably the easiest one to get to. So you're going to plug it in. You're going to turn your key to accessory power. So there's power, but the vehicle's not running. This goes on the end of your tire, on the end of your valve stem more specifically. You're going to take this little cap off. I'm not going to do this, but you're going to take this cap off and shove that in there and screw it on. And then what you do, put this on your tire, very important, and then you turn it on. And you can follow the easy to read instructions here, but basically it'll pump the goop into your tire. And if you look at this, it says once you hit the number 3, you're green. So you'll watch this and it goes to number 3, you're green. And it'll inflate your tire and coat the inside of it with this goop. And hopefully the nail that you've hit or something you've hit on the highway is small enough, because if it's really big, you're not going to be in trouble. But it should get you to where you need to go, to your nearest tire repair shop or to Norris Ford, where we can do tires also. And what they'll do is they'll take your tire off, they'll clean all the goop out of there, patch your tire, and away you go. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at Norris Ford, norrisford.ca, or give us a call at 780-842-4400.